Hello everyone, my name is Soukaina, I'm from Morocco, and I'm here to share with you my experience being a trainer in the reading Wikipedia and the classroom. Let's get started. Okay, so what is this project about? Reading Wikipedia in the Classroom is a training program designed to help teachers understand and use Wikipedia as a teaching tool based on the element of the UNESCO's Media and Information Literacy Framework. The program provides models to teach essential skills for information and media literacy for the 21st century, including understanding how information is produced, accessed, and obtained, as well as understanding biases and knowledge gaps throughout Wikipedia. This training also addressed the key question we received from teachers on how to protect students and prepare them to deal with the different form of misinformation online. We had a worldwide team, from the Wikimedia Foundation team, we had Nicole Sad, Melissa, Vasanti, Salish. 3 countries were selected where this program was implemented as a pilot project. So in Morocco, it was me and Brahim. Bolivia, it was Ellen, Naomi, and Olga. Philippines, it was Vanj and Imelda. So the UNESCO's framework for media and information literacy skill highlight 3 key skills that can help foster critical engagement on digital platforms and responsible digital citizenship. So these 3 skills are accessing, evaluating, and creating information. Therefore, teachers can use Wikipedia to help their students develop media and information skills to determine their information needs, find information from various sources, assess information and media content, and understand how information is generated. So the result of this program is that a student will acquire skills in the digital space and their information consumption habits will be improved. In addition to that, students acquire the foundation for a more active role, enriching the content of Wikipedia in the future, enabling them to evolve from a consumer of information to a creator and producer of knowledge for the common good. In the first phase of this program, it was intended to be an in-person program, a training program. But so the plan was to have 25 teachers from 5 schools in each country. But once the pandemic happened, we switched to a virtual training program using a platform adapted to the teacher's experience and preferences. To build and design the tools that we will need in this program, a study was conducted in the 3 countries. Also, some in-depth interviews were also conducted, and as a result, we figure out that we need to design a program closely linked to the education system for each country. We need to contribute to the improvement of the educational practices, and we also need to cover the topics that most interest teachers. Therefore, we identified members of local Wikimedia communities to participate as speakers and guests in the various training courses, and also managed to provide contextual testimonials on the use of Wikipedia in education. Okay, so the tools that we managed to design, first of all, we had teacher's guide for the 3 models, a set of training sessions with all the slides, the questions related to each model, and a private learning group that was on Facebook. And it was designed to share information, track program progress, ask questions, and interact with other participants. Of course, for each program, we need indicators of success. So technically, we have 3 main metrics: attendance, participation, and final activity. So we check the number of teachers who read the documents or the teacher's guide and attended all the training sessions, number also of teachers who participated in the Facebook group activities and interacted with the questions, and also participated in the training sessions by commenting and asking questions and interacting with the trainers. Also, the number of teachers who have completed all the activities in addition to the final one. By that, we announced that to get the certificate and complete the program, the teacher must complete all unit activities, participate in training sessions, and submit a lesson plan proposal that integrates Wikipedia into the classroom. After conducting this program and after launching the training sessions, we managed to have training sessions that have been viewed over 70,000 times. We also managed to have 169 teachers who received a certificate of completion in the three countries, Bolivia, Morocco, and Philippines. We managed to conduct surveys before and after the program. So at the end of the program, we found that teachers' views on using Wikipedia as a source of information became more positive, as you can see here. Also, the figure above indicates that at the end of the program implementation, mostly 100%, I would say, of teachers agree that Wikipedia is a valuable source of information and that teachers should use it in school as an educational tool. We also managed to get some learning points from teachers who both managed to finish the program and those who couldn't manage to finish it. So for those who managed to finish the program, they showed high interest in contributing to Wikipedia. They also said that this program helped them learn about digital platform and develop critical thinking skills. They also recognize the importance of the internet as a facilitator of knowledge while emphasizing the importance of developing skills to navigate the unreliable content. For teachers who couldn't finish the program, they really said that they would hope to have another opportunity like this to be able to participate again, which is something we provided in Morocco in the second edition that we are currently launching. And also, they said that this program helped them improve their virtual teaching techniques. So they managed to gain practice and gain experience. And they also managed to set a positive model for their virtual private lesson, and that helped them to make them more interactive with their students. As I mentioned before, we used Facebook groups as a management learning system. So this group or this tool was has pros and cons. So for the pros, I would say that it was a very good environment for teachers to exchange and learn from each other by putting all the comments publicly, so everyone was able to read other participants' response, open up to other perspective and how they see things, learning from each other. Also, the usage of Messenger application was a good tool for them to communicate directly with the trainers and the moderators of the group in order to ask questions directly or to ask for clarifications. But there were some cons or some limits, I would say, for the usage of Facebook as a learning group. First of all, it has limited functionalities in tracking participants' progress. It was also a bit hard for the moderators to track hundreds of responses individually and manually. So moderators, of course, had to spend more time monitoring and tracking teachers' progress and evaluating the quality of responses. Now, okay, we kind of covered what this program is about. We covered the results that we had, the also the feedback or the learning points from the surveys. Let's talk about the opportunity to become a certified trainer. So the Wikimedia Foundation or the educational team of the Wikimedia Foundation is now launching a program that is called Reading Wikipedia Training of Trainers. So this program is an opportunity for everyone who wants to be part of this program and wants to learn the necessary skills to conduct or to implement such program in their countries. So the team is selecting 25 participants per cohort, and of course, no fees or payments or any kind of requirements are required for the participants in this program. So the opportunities that this program is giving you is, first of all, participants who will complete the requirements of the program will be certified as reading Wikipedia and the classroom trainer, so they will receive a certificate. There will be also an opportunity of or for implementation, so certified readers or certified reading Wikipedia and classroom trainers will have the opportunity to join a network of trainers ready to be hired by institutions and organizations seeking training. The third point is the professional development. So earning trainer certification from the Wikimedia Foundation looks great, of course, on your resume. And the fourth point is access to funding. So certified trainers will have access to a pool of funding that can support a local implementation of the Reading Wikipedia in a classroom program. So I really encourage you to apply if you are interested to be part of this program or to implement this program in your country. Let's talk a little bit about my experience in Morocco and what are we up to recently. So recently we had the second edition of the program that was launched this year with 200 participants, and we created an extra model in order to help teachers who are highly motivated to contribute to Wikipedia to learn more about the sister projects and to learn how to edit, how to create articles, how to contribute and be an active person on Wikipedia. We also have two members of the user group who are currently part of the TOT program. In order for them to be able to lead future editions of the program, we want more variety. So, personally, I had the chance to work on the pilot project and this second edition of the program. So, we wanted more people to be engaged in this program. And yeah, you just, as I said, go ahead, apply, and just show some high motivations, and you would definitely get a spot and learn valuable skills from the program. For this edition, we have high rate compared to last year, so we have plus 700 registrations, but we decided to keep the cohort limited to 200 participants in the program. Um, we also managed to secure a partnership with the Reading Network of Morocco. We built, as I said, one extra model that was added to teach advanced skills to contribute in Wiki projects. And we decided to have one on-site activity that will be organized where teachers will collaborate and participate in multiple activities that we will be organizing to sharpen their learning from the program. So yeah, of course, I mean the program is here, but you can innovate a little bit. You can add things that you think might be aligned with the local context of your country, and that's what we did. And yeah, so technically, the lessons to be learned is let's work together and the possible will be possible. That's something I learned from this program. We faced a lot of challenges in the pilot one when the COVID situation happened. We also faced like a lot of challenges with teachers who are not super used to the Facebook platforms and other interaction, other social media platforms. So the program is is a very interesting one. You might face many challenges, but hey, we have a big community now. We have many people becoming new trainers, so you will have the necessary support, and you get to learn from other people's implementation of the program. So yeah, don't be afraid. Go ahead. If you think that this project is aligned with your perspective and with what you wanna share with your community, just ping us. You can ping us. You can talk to the Wikimedia educational team. They also have very good, or they also provide very good support. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to see this project implemented in many other countries. Um, so yeah, that's it for me. And thank you. I really hope that you will enjoy this presentation. You will learn from it. So thank you for your time.